Look at that tree line. They thought it was cover. It was a kill box. May 3rd, 2026, Lyman, Donetsk, Novorossiysk, Black Sea. Ukrainian drone units are hunting Russian infantry and Shadow Fleet tankers. This isn't a movie. This is Tuesday. Watch this guy. He sees the drone. He doesn't even flinch. Watch this guy. He sees the drone. He doesn't even flinch. Not random. Not angry. Just efficient. Drone sees. Drone delivers. Open field. No cover. Behind a tree. No cover. Running full sprint. Definitely no cover. From the soldier's point of view, you don't hear it coming until the last second. And here, behind a fallen tree, an African mercenary. Doesn't matter who you are. Doesn't matter why you're there. When that drone sees you, the contract ends. Permanently. But it's not just land. Sea Baby naval drones hit Shadow Fleet tankers at the entrance